In today's video, I'm going to show you a simple remedy that you can make at home, which is using olive oil and lemon. This is going to help cleanse your system, detoxify your system. It's going to help you get rid of toxins, cleanse your colon, and then another thing is that when taking this treatment, you will have to stay at home. And so if today is your first time stopping by, you are welcome, and thanks for stopping by and thanks for watching this video. Please do hit on the subscribe button that is right below this video and turn on the notification bell so that you'll always be the first to be notified whenever I share new videos on this channel. Also, don't hesitate to share this video with your friends and give it a huge thumbs up if you like this video. And also, don't forget to follow me on my social media handles, link up here and in the description box. To visit my blog at frank.com. That's where I share all my written home remedies. And also, don't forget to open up that description box. I have a lot of good stuff for you. And then let's get right into the preparation of this simple remedy. So what I'll be using for this treatment is lemon, and in my hand is a fresh lemon. So you can get your fresh lemon in any supermarket or farmers market or any fruit market that is close to you. That's where you can get your lemon. I'm also going to be making use of olive oil, and here I'm making use of the extra virgin olive oil. So these two ingredients, when combined together, is going to cleanse your liver and gallbladder. It is very good, very effective for cleansing those organs in your body, your liver and gallbladder. So that's why I'm going to be showing you how to prepare this. Lemon here has a lot of properties that is helpful for cleansing, detoxifying the body. So it also has a lot of skin benefits, health benefits, and it is consumed as a weight loss drink as well. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how to mix these two ingredients or prepare it as your drink to cleanse your liver, detoxify it, and make you feel better. So for this treatment, I'll be needing a bowl, and then I'm going to slice my lemon into two. Just cut it into two like this. So the next thing I'm going to do is to measure out 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, using the fresh lemon, don't forget. So this is 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. I'm going to pour it into the bowl. The next thing I'll be doing is get my extra virgin olive oil, and for the olive oil I'm going to be adding 1 teaspoon. This is 1 teaspoon of the olive oil, just like this. So you can go ahead and add up to 2 teaspoons, but as for me, I'm making use of just 1 teaspoon of the olive oil. And then the next thing I'm going to add is water, and I'm using drinking water here, clean water, and I'm adding just 1 teaspoon of water to it as well. After which I'll go ahead and mix it thoroughly. So because you're mixing oil with lemon and water, oil and liquid, it is going to take quite a long time for it to be well mixed, and when you leave it, it's going to separate again. So you're just going to mix this all up like this. mixing this all up like this, I'm going to drink this. So this is the olive oil and lemon juice mixture that I just finished preparing. This, like I said earlier, is used for cleansing the liver and the gallbladder. Before you take this treatment, you are going to stir it a little bit, just like this. You know, I said it's for cleansing, okay? So you have to stay at home when you want to take this, because it is going to cleanse that thing. You have to stay close to your bathroom, because you will have to be running there almost every time, but not like every time. You will have to be going to the toilet, so stay close to your toilet before taking this thing. So if you know you will be very busy, you won't be at home, then there's no need of you taking this. So you have to take it maybe weekends when you know you will be home, and before taking it, just stir it very well like this, just like what I'm showing you, and then you gulp everything at once, like lemon. That's the effect of the lemon. But it's nice though, and it has a little bit of bitter taste, and the lemon, the sour taste from the lemon and the olive oil and everything. It's not bad. It's not bad at all. So do take this, because I'm not going anywhere today, so I'm free to take this. And then you can take this twice in a day. You are going to carry out this treatment for 3 days, so you're not just going to take it once and stop. So take it twice, morning and evening, for 3 days like this, 3 consecutive days. Like if you're taking it on Monday, you take it Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, you stop. If you're taking it on Friday like me, you take it Friday, Saturday, Sunday, you stop. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, you stop. This is going to help cleanse your liver and your gallbladder. So guys, that was just a simple way to prepare that olive oil and lemon juice remedy. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you found it helpful, please don't hesitate to share it with your friends, to give it a huge thumbs up, as well as hit on that subscribe button that is right on your way out. That's if you've not done so already. And then do turn on the notification bell so that you'll always be notified whenever I share new videos on this channel. And don't forget to check me out on my social media handles, link up here and in the description box. And then I'm going to see you in my next video. Bye!